So, I just got my first gift. Birthday gift daw sa akin ng brother ko. So, bubuksan na natin. Unbox na natin. Bubuksan na siya. So, ano kaya ito eh? Nagtanong pa eh. No? Supportive naman pala. Okay. Woo! Parang ang pangit ko yata pag nag-video, kailangan ng magandang lighting. Yay! And stand. Ayan. Kasi napagod na akong kagadayan ng camera ko. Kaya, meron akong stand. Yee! Thank you, brother! Ano bang brother? Brother Bego. Thank you, Romel. Happy birthday to me. Saan pa ba ito? Okay. Try natin. Yes! Makakasya naman ang mukha ko. There you go. Thank you sa first birthday gift ko for this year. See you! Live na eh. Hello, di ba? Hello, live kami kasi natin try namin yung ilang ito na. Hindi ka dali.
Hindi ko bigyan kasi ako para matapos na.
Ayun na. Hello! Naka-play pa.
Naka-play ma. Ipo-post pa yun na yan kahit nagsisigawan tayo. Tignan mo.
Post natin to. Subukan lang namin. Bakit ka natatawa? Try lang namin itong ilaw mukhang hindi ko alam kung gumanda ba kami o ano, kuminis. Gia, dali ka dito. Yes! Ito nga pala mga Junakis ko. Thank you pala sa gift ng kapatid ko. Brother, Beho! Thank you Ano pa kasunod dito? Ano kasunod dito? Condenser na sunod dito. Ayan.
Pag may condenser na, mag-vlog mo din ako.
Abangan nyo na lang yung vlog namin So,
ML vlog.
tapos magkakaroon din ng ML vlog yung ano ko sa Gia. Yes. Support nga pala dun sa LA Brew Coffee PH.
Mali ba ma?
Mali ba? Mali
Mali Brew PH.
LA Brew PH. And thank you dun sa lahat ng mga nag-avail na ng coffee. Yes! See you again! On our YouTube channel. Hello! I will be opening another gift from my sister. Oh, and my nephew and niece from Danry and Demi. Mga anak ni King at ni Jason. So, tingnan natin. Birthday ko pa rin, di ba? Anong petsa na? But anyway, ngayon ko lang i-open kasi busy. So, let's see. Alam mo, happy ako kasi winimiss ko to nung nakaraan pa. Dahil hindi ako maka-order sa Shopee. Ay, nakaka-happy naman. Alright. Ang cute! Ang cute! Ayan, dahil may malaki na akong, what do you call this? Wire whisk. Itong wire whisk na to is just right in time kasi gusto kong gumawa ng mga kung ano-ano. Oh, that's nice! I like that. Thank you, King. Meron pa. Meron pa naman tong paper bag na to. Thank you, Danry and Demi. Oh. Nakakatuwa kasi sleeping gel mask. May pa-BB cream pa sila. O, promoting pants yan. Hello. Thank you, Demi and Danry. Yung cute, oh, Beho. Salamat! Oo, pangarap ko to ng mga nakaraang linggo pa. So, thank you! Happy birthday to me. Anong petsa na pero birthday ko pa din. See you later! Hi everyone! I just want to say thank you for all the greetings and warm wishes on my 45th birthday. So I just wish everybody the best of everything in this world, and hopefully matapos na lahat ng chaos or lahat ng problema kinakaharap natin lahat sa pandemic na ito and everything. I hope everything goes back to normal pretty soon. Again, thank you everyone. It's been a blessing for me that I have reached my 45 years in this world, and I thank you all, my family, my friends, and everybody that I know for always supporting me in whatever I do. So I just wish everyone very, very good health and of course happiness every day. Thank you so much and God bless you. Happy birthday to me and to all the celebrants of June. And I would also like to greet my brother who has the same birthday as me. My brother Andrew, thank you. Happy birthday to you too as well. And sa aking isa pang anak na si Chono, happy birthday to you. And I have not done a video for us, but anyway, I hope these greetings will do. And of course, thank you po sa mga nagregalo sa akin, be it small or malaki. It doesn't matter. It's the thought that counts. Even greetings really, really matters to me. So, thank you to my brother Romel for my ring light, my sister Melanie, and to the kids for the special gift. I love that wire whisk. Dami naman, dream ko yun, diba? And of course, thank you to my daughter for the cake. That's from Al's. And of course, thank you, Shello, for the cheesecake, the blueberry cheesecake. And sa lahat ng foods na dinala ng mga kapatid ko, my brother Brian, at yung milk tea na prepare ng sister ko, thank you so much. And happy birthday to me and my brother Andrew. And thank you, Papa, for always being there. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers as well. Kasi kasabay ng birthday ko ang Father's Day. So, happy birthday again to all the June celebrants. Happy Father's Day to my Papa, Greg, Romel, my brother Brian, and sa mga brother-in-laws ko. Thank you!